Barcelona. I was going to say we're in Spain, we're in Spain, Barcelona. Here for the Primavera Sound Festival that we're currently exploring today. There we go. Very busy out. We're getting oakberry. This is my oakberry. We found the Arc de Triomphe of Barcelona. This is the Arc de Triomphe of Barcelona. Look at these cool birds. They're like different colours, but there's also little pigeons and I'm scared. The birds, they're like green. We're down at the little park. It's really cool actually. To this, it's really cool actually. Wow. There's a big mammoth on a boat. This is the boat. Someone's on land over there. Wait a sec. Where are they? Oh.
As long as they move us to some.
Yeah. Actually a wind vibe. I don't know if we're going anywhere. No, oh god, there is a bird behind you there. We came a bit higher. No, that looks really creepy. We're getting on a train home. We're waiting 23 minutes for an Uber in Starbucks. Train breakdown. It came to the platform. It stopped and someone said to us it broke down. And then no more trains in that direction could come, so we just left. Waiting for the Uber. Went to Starbucks. I'm going to Lidl to see if they have buzzballs. They didn't have any buzzballs at Lidl, so we got wine. And now we got pizza!
We got Monster, well they have Monsters.
And we got pizzas! To Monsters to revive us for later.
Yeah, I should have got another coffee to be fair.
Oh my gosh, look at our pizzas! This wine. And we're waiting because we don't want to be at the festival waiting like 2 hours for Charlie and Troy to come on. To go, we're gonna get an Uber.
Uber in 1 minute.
And it's 9:48.
At least it didn't take as long as it did last time.
We waited, yeah, that was absolutely crazy. We're here, we made it, we're about to go in. We took some photos, it says Primavera Sound. Apple Island. Yeah, and Charlie. And Charlie. And Troy. And Troy.
And the merch,
And the Powerpuff merch. Made it through the bag search and now I think it's the ticket one. We've got our little wristbands. You can't really see mine. Can you see it's like moving up and down? I can't believe we're actually here. Like, we've been speaking about this for ages. Look! Really? Where? Oh! We just found out the Powerpuff t-shirt. It's the one thing we want. She said maybe tomorrow. We're at the Powerpuff statue. We've got a little photo. It's what we can do after they don't have any merch. This is the merch. If you want to have a little look, future me or that's cute. I'm currently walking through. There's like this clothing. This is all food things at the moment. Oh, there's an Aqua Spritz thing there. That's not Aqua Island. It's crazy we're actually here. Like, there's loads of people up there. We're just walking. It's kind of crazy. I'm sorry, like, what is going on right now? We're literally trying to go to Aqua Island, but it's like a full-on, like, park thing. Like, this is a stage right in front of us. Like, what the helly? We're about to go into Aqua Island of Joy. Like, what? This is Aqua Island of Joy.
Okay, that's okay. Just 3 then. That easy.
It's just good. Hey, we're in Afro Island. We got our Afro. Right, Afro. Cheers. Look at how busy this is. So busy. We literally went to the bar so we could get a cup because this was like a keepsake cup. Like artists on and stuff. And now we're walking to the stage that Charlie should be on. I don't know what we stumbled across, but it's like find a friend travel train line. We're asking about the Powerpuff merch again. You know the t-shirt you're wearing?
It's sold out today, but will be restocked Saturday.
Restock when?
Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Today's Thursday.
Today's still Thursday.
So then Saturday I'll come back. Okay. We made it onto the grass. The stage is over there. We're at an Aperol stand because it's better than light beer. Currently sitting down waiting for Charlie, having our Aperols. T-minus
you at? Princess Street, I remember I'm so yeah. Yeah, listen to me. Yeah, I've heard you talk about me. That's the word on the street. You're obsessed and just compressed. Put your hands up. It's obvious I'm your number one. It's alright, I'm just a bit of the fantasy. You're obsessed and just confess it, 'cause it's obvious I'm your number one. I'm your number one. I'm your number one. I'm just living that life. One that's not flashing, but it's still hot. We hardly see the parties. I just wanna fuck shit up and just ride in your car tonight. I just want to see me in your eyes. Now you feel the same $1,000,000 dream. I don't need to be here if I cry. I'm not proceeding on the other side. You ready for this one? I'm the way you wanna know what I got going on down there. Write it, can I fit it? Try to explain, but she knows I hate it. Girl, you walk like a bitch. When I was 10, someone said that. And it's just like a fence until you're building a weapon. She believed my rejection, and now I totally get it. Yeah, inside your eye, there's still a young girl from Exit. If you ever get desperate, I'll be like one of your girls. That's how she's on that skin. Jesus Christ on the plastic side. Keep close. How are you like we're in Tokyo? Who the fuck we got tonight? Primavera?
We're trying to get out of this festival. Currently the leader of this group. We're all linked up so we can try and make it out. I see the exits over there. So there's a lot of people. And like, oh, it's finished. Day one is complete. We made it to the red steps. We're going up the red steps. Woo! It's giving red carpet, Met Gala. Everyone's going out. Like, what the hell? This is like the biggest festival I've ever been. Listen to New Spring song that came out like an hour ago. 3:55 and we made it back.
Made it.
The next day.
When I have like
The Garby. It's actually quite good. Here are our sandwiches.
it's day 2.
Day 2 feels like day 10.
I know I'm actually exhausted.
We've rallied, we're ready to go.
Yeah.
We're going to go to the shop. Day 2, we're coming up to the entrance. We have the Powerpuff t-shirt, what the hell? I can't believe we got the Powerpuff t-shirt. Like, what? Oh my gosh, life is complete now. Life is so complete. We've had Afro, we've seen it, we've seen Charlie, now we've got to see Sabrina and Chapel.
And then life is complete.
We're walking in, you can actually see the sea today, which we couldn't see before, so the sea is down there. Whole different in the daytime, I must say. About to see the stage. Wait, oh! Wow! That's not bad. Stage where we're trying to head. It actually looks really big from here. This is our barricade run. That's the walk. We just got some water, and if you had your cup, they poured it into the cup, but it's out of a chilled water bottle, so the water's really cold.
How much was it?
We made it to the stage. Woo! It's not too busy, but yeah. Now we wait. Currently on a solo mission to get churros. Just got some more water. And I'm gonna head back and find the others. It's not too busy yet. I got some churros.
We are back reporting live from Barcelona.
With man-child railway, none of the girls will know.
saw Sabrina and now we're leaving. I'm gonna get food and walk back because it's actually not too late yet. See you tomorrow, Power Puffs. End of day 2. Made it back. We've got a little Power Puff t-shirts on. Waiting took longer than yesterday, so much longer. We have to wait.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Message me a time.
Got Magnolia baked again. Some coffee and croissants. This is a croissant. Oh my god. Tina! We're going to the pool. It's like 2 p.m. And yeah.
We're ready.
Day 3.
Time to tan. We got our blue skirts on.
A little blue going on. This was the pool. We're leaving now. It was fun. To the pool. We just went to the supermarket, got a little drink. Got second coffees of the day. Little things. And now we're gonna go up. Get ready for day 3. Final day. Chapel day. Day 3.
Final day.
Chapel day.
Chapel day. Wearing pink. Wearing some sparkles.
To get into the Uber.
The earliest.
This is
Headliner so far.
thank God. And
Imagine if like Charlie was on the last day.
oh my God.
That would kill me off.
Day 3. We're in the food area. It's kind of crazy. They got some pizza. It's a little ice cream van. We're exploring. Look at this. So much going on. Whoa, we're making it to the end. This is crazy. This looks like where they do the DJ sets over there. You can see Afro Island. You can see all the ships and everything. It's a little sound cafe. They have like merch inside. Pull and bear as well. I thought they did.
Let's get coffee, let's meet up. But does it happen? No! But does it happen? No! What we really need is love. What? Are you ready to get naked in Manhattan? Oh, I've never done it. Naked in Manhattan. Peach, ice cream, dazzle, New York. Reach away from more than just friends. I can't help what I can't help. So guaranteed pleasure. Deep, deep in the passenger seat, and you're in the eyes of casual now. Down all of the days till you're just another girl on the side. Girl, I don't need no pickup truck. Rather lie to pick you up. And I can get the job done. So I have a monk. We're gonna draw the names out of the hat. First ex's name is Pim. He only knew how to use his fingers to play video games.
And now we're leaving the festival. Going up the red steps. Bye, Prima. You've been a movie.
I have called you to suffer that you were far away.
Don't worry, I was coming, basically. It's now Sunday and I'm actually going home today, but I still have some time to kill. And the others have just left, but I thought I'd show you our room because it's actually quite a big room. It was like this. There was 3 of us in here. I was on the sofa, the little single bed, but I did not mind. We had a little mini fridge in here, some wine we had. Then we had a living area, really big. This is like all the food that we've been slowly getting throughout the week. I just put it on there because I was like, oh, I feel bad. Really big windows as well. And then there was a double bed. And then this was the bathroom, which was like massive. Like, look at this. This one has jets and towels. The toilet, bidet, shower in here. Big mirror. Yeah, it's been great in here. And I'm about to head out with someone that we met this week to go to a little pasta place and just like walk around the centre of Barcelona. My flight's not till like 7, so I probably get there at like 5. About to check out final mirror lift video.
Cavalier. Chevalier.
We're in a little ice cream thing.
What flavour did you get?
I got this one out here. I think it's a chocolate one.